diffusion of gas. The particles in a gas move randomly in all the directions. This helps to explain why diffusion takes place in gases. Let us proceed. Soak a piece of cotton wool in ammonia solution and thus provide an ammonia gas. Also soak a piece of cotton wool in a hydrochloric acid solution to obtain hydrochloric gas. Now plug these two cotton wools in the two ends of a hollow glass tube and also plug corks in both the ends. And you will notice that in less than a minute, a white ring begins to form. This white ring is in fact a dense white solid formed by a diffusion of two gases, ammonia and hydrogen chloride. Did you notice that the white ring is formed closer to the hydrogen chloride end? So can you tell which gas traveled faster? Is it the ammonia gas or hydrogen chloride gas? That's true. It is ammonia gas. The distance between the cotton wool soaked in ammonium chloride and the dense white ring is greater than that between the cotton wool soaked in the hydrochloric acid and the dense white ring. So from this experiment we can conclude that the ammonia gas covered a greater distance inside a tube.